What makes something biodegradable? Let's learn more. Annabelle, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
Yeah, so I am a third-year graduate student and researcher here at the University of Florida. I work in the Department of Material Science and Engineering under Dr. Guillaume Dehoe, and my research focuses on the biodegradation behavior of water-soluble polymers. A lot of people are familiar with plastic, especially plastic pollution, but I don't think as many people know about this other class of materials. These water-soluble polymers are lesser known, but they're usually ingredients commonly used in soaps and cosmetics. Like, you will encounter them every day, and when we're done with them, they often go down the drain, right? But we're curious in knowing what happens in both, like, when it ends up in a wastewater treatment plant, but also when it ends up into natural ecosystems. Our interest is in evaluating these structural factors systematically and modifying these to see, okay, what is the trend with these like general factors that might be changed in these materials or plastic materials or what have you.
So what's the need for this research on water-soluble polymers?
We're putting so much of it into the environment. We're like literally spraying it on soil, and we don't really know what happens. What happens when this material accumulates in the environment? Does it even go away? Does it stay? How long does it stay? We don't know that. I think that those relationships are important to probe because we kind of need to know a general trend of like what makes a material biodegradable so that it can help us evaluate the risk of releasing these materials, and especially like what happens when we modify it chemically.
So what makes this work different from similar work already out there?
So what is unique about our lab, there are a lot of indirect ways to measure biodegradation, but we possess instruments that can measure it directly, and not a lot of labs possess this equipment, which is what's really unique about our lab, and that we're able to take a direct measurement of these. It's also a very versatile setup. We can change the medium that's in it, so we can test in a lot of different environments, so like seawater, compost, anaerobic environments, so environments without air, can do that too.